I will give access to you people, invite you. You can share your email ID to get a access to the JIRA. So JIRA is project management tool. Everyone will be part of project. The developers, QAs, project manager, clients will also be part of JIRA, and they will keep a track of what is in progress, what is completed. So what is to do? To do is the JIRA will have a board which will show the progress of a project. What is to do, what is in progress, what is done. Okay, we can see these sections that we have. So which will show the progress. Okay, so with this create option, we can create the task, we can create a story is nothing but a requirement. We can create a defect, which is also called as bug. We can create a defect in it. Okay, so we create a defect. As a QA, the major QA role is to create a defect. Okay, as a QA, majorly we create a defect. So let us create a defect in JIRA and try to understand. For example, we are testing Amazon application and we are finding a defect that the search is not working. Okay, so let us search for something. iPhone 14 I'm searching for, and I'm getting some 13 and some other results, which is not, or we are searching for iPhone 13 and we are getting the search results here, but we have a defect. Consider that we have issues with the search results. How we will write? Select a category. So project is by default selected. This issue type is bug. Issue type is bug. Search is not working. Okay. So already we know that we are working on Amazon project. So no need to mention any project name or anything. Search is not working. And you can mention some examples, some details in this description. Okay. So you can write the steps. Search for the keyword iPhone. Okay. iPhone 13. Then click enter. Search results are not displayed. So what it means here, search results are not displayed. The meaning is these are the steps. These are the steps to reproduce. Okay. So these are the steps to reproduce the issue that we found. So we give details and we also provide a screenshot. How we take a screenshot? Take a snipping tool, open it, and you can take a screenshot of the page where you are not getting the search result. Suppose I am searching for an iPhone and we did not get any result. For example, take a snip of this, copy, okay, it and paste it in this JIRA. Okay, where we have the JIRA open window is this. So in this, we can directly paste it. It is added. Okay. So the screen is showing there is no search result, but actually there is a search result. But what we are trying to report is there is no search result. Click on a create. The issue is created. In the left hand side, we can see the pop-up showing the issue is created. Okay. Okay. So in
Priya,
this project,
screenshot is the mandatory, Priya. We need to
yes,
add.
mandatory. Yes. So how you were saying that it is not working? We have to provide a evidence. Evidence is nothing but a screenshot. How you will prove that something is not working? Okay. So you will receive the invite in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So in the invite, you will get the mail from a Atlassian Jira. Okay. And you have to click on a link available in the mail and create a password. You can create a password for your account, and with that password, how we create a defect? Let us create a one more defect. Click on this create option we have. What is this create button, blue button, able to see? With this create button, we have to click on. The issue type is bug. Okay. And summary is this time we will create another defect. Something search is sorting is not working. Okay. For example, we are having the filters. Some filters are not working. Okay. I'm trying to have a filter or customer review filter or a price range filter. Okay. So there is minimum or max and discounts. Okay. Let us take a discount filter is not working. Okay. Where we have it in this section somewhere. Okay. Get it by tomorrow. Okay. So this delivery, this filter is not working. How we write the defect? So try to understand how we are writing the defect. After search, filters, there are some filters available. Filters such as like whatever filter is, get it by tomorrow. Okay, write it in the double quote so that it is highlighted. Okay, it is not a text, it is the filter is not working. If, for example, there are much more filters that are not working, so we will list down all the filters here. One is get it by tomorrow, one filter. Second is we will write again. For example, get it in 2 days also not working. Okay. We will copy the text and write it. Is not working. Then again, you have some any other top brands. This is also not working. Consider. Okay, consider this is also not working. So we will write below filters are not working. Okay, what will be the after search below filters are not working. Okay, and provide a screenshot also, like you click on it and take a screenshot. How we take a screenshot? Open a snipping tool, take it, drag it. Okay. So your screenshot should show the check boxes or the filters you are clicking on. You are trying to click, but you did not get that. Okay. So something, let us drag it and paste it in this window. Okay. We can paste it here. So it is added now. And okay, so the screenshot is added and click on create. Okay, check the summary again. Few filters are not working, or you can write that okay, below filters are not working. The filters are not working. I will write only after the search filters are not working. Not working as mentioned below. Okay. And click on a create. So the issue is again created. Click on this link or click on a view issue. We will be able to see. Okay. Now, after search filters are not working. So the issue is created, defect is created. Okay. Now, after we create a defect, we will assign it to developer. For example, we have Sarita, she is a developer. I am assigning to her. So now this person should start working on it, or she should be working on the code fix for it. Okay. So when we create, it is in the new, after it is assigned to a developer. Okay. Close it. Okay. Okay, so everyone got access. Did you check emails? Did you receive emails?
Yes, Priya. Got it.
Yes.
I got it.
Yes. Did you get everyone? Anyone yet to receive a email?
No, Priya, not get it me.
Okay, email ID, please.
Okay, I'll send.
Yeah. So everyone, just check your emails. Check the spam folder also. Okay, check it. Have? Uh, do you have a email? Check that. Got it, everyone? Okay, so I think most of you have received it. You have accepted the invite also. So are you able to see this um, project, Amazon project we are a part of? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. So create a defect. Click on this create and select the issue type as bug and create some of the defects. For example, add to cart is not working for the items. Like you have selected an item after a search, but there is no add to cart button. Okay, add to cart button is missing. Okay, Taraka, I will send you invite. Okay. Okay, everyone create a defect. Add to cart button is missing. You can create a defect. Place order is not working. You can create a defect. Customer
Yeah,
service.
I don't get the access email.
Okay, Mammoon, you did not receive. Let me send it again. Okay. Check the spam folder also. Sometimes you may receive in that section because this is a new email ID you are getting the emails from. So it may go into any junk emails or any folder. Check all the folders. Okay. So I sent a invite again. Okay. Mm, yeah. So your email ID is 2016. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't receive Priya. Can you add my email ID?
Mahita.
Yeah.
Mm,
I checked all like spam, junk.
okay. Can you please give me email ID? So I'm not looking at other documents. You have to share a email ID in the chat.
Also, I
Okay.
did not get yet. There is no
Yeah, just
any.
wait for 2 more minutes. I sent it now. So wait for 5 minutes. You may get it. So Mahita, I'm waiting for your email ID. Okay.
Yeah, I shared, Priya.
Okay. So guys, create a defect. So those who have the access, you can create a defect. Customer service page doesn't have the details. Okay. You can create a defect. Offers are not applied on the items. Amazon Prime feature is not working. So these are some of the
Priya, can
defects
you
you have to create.
Priya, can you show me show us again how to take the screenshot?
Okay, fine. I am writing add to cart, not working. Okay. So I will show you how to take a screenshot. Open a snipping tool. If you have it, open it. Okay. Or you can take a print screen also. Function plus print screen, that will also work. It will take a screenshot of entire page. Now drag it whatever the window you want to take a screenshot. Click on this new, and suppose I want to take a screenshot of this window. That's it. Okay, here is my defect, which is the defect I can show, and we will just paste it. Click on the create and go to the description. You just paste it, Control V. Okay. This is one way to add a screenshot. Other is you can open a Word file, paste it in this Word. Okay, so the screenshot, the number of screenshots you have, the sequence of like before search, after search, what is displayed, what is not displayed, take all the screenshots like in a sequence. Okay, so first is we are trying to click on this, take a screenshot of that. Then after you click on, take a next screenshot. For example, I'm searching for iPhone 14. So take a screenshot of this first. Okay, then search result is displayed or not. Take a screenshot of this page again. Okay, like take a full window. Then again, some buttons you have, labels you have, those are not displayed. So take a screenshot of that as well again. Okay, and paste it. And save this document with name. Okay, so I will save this document as a issue 1 and in one of the defects folder. Okay, save. And go back to the Eclipse, go back to the JIRA, browse it. You have attachment section. Able to see attachment section? Yes. Okay, good. Click on a browse. Like here you have to select the file where you have it. So in the E, I have it in the defects. Issue 1 is a file. So we are uploading from this place. So it is uploaded. Okay. And so this is a, for example, some add to cart not working. You have to take a screenshots correct. Okay. So do not attach any screenshot at any place. It should be relevant. Okay. Fine. And click on a create. So the issue is created. This or issue is created. So you can see the screenshots are added as attachment also. We have added Word file also. Okay. Everyone create a defect. So Mamoon, did you get a invite? Can you please confirm?
Priya, do we need to write anything in components?
You can write components as a which module. Component is nothing but
Okay.
it is a payment module or add to cart module or a search. So you can add a component also. Can add component as a module. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Everyone create it. I'm waiting for you guys to create it.
Priya, what option we need to select for labels?
For now, you can skip it. Labels, nothing needed. Okay.
Environment also not required, right?
Environment you can give as a QA. So generally we test all the testing in the QA environment. Okay.
Priya, can you show me where we can assign to the developer team?
Okay. So once you created a issue, what we have to do is, suppose when we have a issue, this one, we have to click on I created a issue, right? I am creating, for example, place order is not working. Okay. And I create it. Now the link is this one. Okay, click on it. After you create, you have assignee, which is you assign to somebody. So I assign to Nishita, or you assign it to somebody else. You assign it to Pavani, Jennifer, Sai. Okay, fine.
Yeah, got it, Priya.
Hi, Priya.
Yes.
Yeah, I did not get this one. I can I send another mail?
Yes, please share another email ID. Okay.
Yeah, I send it.
Yes, yes, I received it.
Priya, are you able to see mine? Just now I
Yes. Tell
created.
me the number. 6. Holiday deals not displayed.
This is mine, Priya. I created that, Jennifer.
Okay. Yeah, so looks fine.
Um,
Okay.
Mine
Search
is a search
option.
option is not working. Yeah, that one, Priya.
Okay, search option is not working. Okay, looks good, correct. Write steps to reproduce in the description. So step 1 is launch a URL. Then second is search for a keyword. Then search is not working. or search option is not working, or click is not working on the search button. So you have to write it step by step, so that we are writing more information for a developer to fix it. Okay, so we are working maybe in the different time zone. People are working when they are available, so they will look at it maybe later. So we should give proper and enough information for anyone who is reading. He should be understanding it clearly. Okay, so the button is not available, meaning is it should be like you have to give a proper information. If button is not available and we are saying that search is not working, it is not a proper information we have written in the defect. So if button is missing, we have to write button is missing. If link is available but not working, you have to mention the link is available but not working. Nothing is displayed after clicking on a link. You have to elaborate. Okay, sometimes the message available, link available, it is working also, but it is showing wrong pop-up. Maybe the information is not correct. You have to write it. Pop-up displayed with incorrect data. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yeah, sure.
So steps to reproduce is very important. It is mandatory you give steps to reproduce. It is mandatory you attach a screenshot. It is mandatory you give a proper description, the title of a defect, what you give as a summary. That is very important. It should be short, accurate. Okay.
Priya, so after we like assign it to development team, so can we still go and make changes to that bug,
Yes.
the
Yes.
description? Okay.
Yes, we can change it. So anyone can change, not only you. So now you guys created, I can also update. I can just click on it and change it. Okay, add something. Okay, so
Okay.
this is a new issue. Okay, something. I can also write it, save it. You can change it at any point of time. Now developer, he starts working on it, and if he feels that this is a duplicate or this is not a valid, so he will add a comment, this is not a valid defect or whatever, or he is working on it, so he will write the fix. Okay, so I have done a fix for this issue, and we have to retest, maybe like retest, and then he will assign back to some QA or the same person who reported. Okay.
Okay.
So then again, now Shilpa has to retest and reconfirm that it is fixed or not. What is the current status? Is it pass or fail or a reopen? Okay.
Okay. So once they do it, they'll give it in the they like write it in the comment sections. Whatever the comments they have to give, they'll like reply in the comments.
Okay. Okay. So,
Once
Mama,
once
did
the
you receive a email invite?
Yeah, the new email I got the invite. I
Okay,
think
good.
some issue actually the previous one. So can you
Okay.
also add the LMS portal this my this current email whatever I
Yeah,
send you?
okay. Sure. Okay. Okay. So previous one you do not want, then
Sorry?
so the previous one you do not want and you want it on this email ID, the
Yeah,
LMS ID.
yeah, this one. You can put this one as well, but I don't get any email, outside email, from
Okay,
this
okay.
email. I think I need to recover the password, something like that.
So everyone create a defect. So what all defects you have to create? Let me mention it here. Add to cart not working. Then place order not working for a credit card option. Okay. Next defect you have to create is offers displayed are not applicable, are not applied after the item selection or after at a time of payment. Offers displayed are not applied okay. So we can elaborate offers displayed not applied when we are placing a order. Okay, so at a place order, the offers are not available. So actual price is the only price available. So we are not okay with that, right? As a customer. So that is the issue. Then again, the issues are maybe related to some other functionalities we will check. Prime feature is not working. Okay. So Amazon Prime feature is not working or not working, meaning is Amazon Prime login is not working. You can write Amazon Prime feature login not working. So to write steps to reproduce, we are trying to log in with Amazon Prime account, but it is not working. Okay. So maybe non-Prime account users are able to log in. Fine. Then customer service page. Customer service page does not have details. Okay. So customer service page should have the details, but the details are missing. Okay. This is the issue. All the defects able to understand, guys?
Yes, Priya. Priya, I have a doubt. Once it is reassigned to us, and if the defect got fixed, how we will close this issue?
Okay. Good question. So now once we have a issue, okay. So I will tell you all the statuses. What will happen? Like in this, we are able to see only the status is like to do. Now here you will have 4 to 5 different statuses in the real time. This is a trial account of a JIRA. So we have only 2, 3. We have a new. So new is initially when the defect is initially created. Later, it is assigned to developer and it is in progress. Now it is assigned to a developer and it will be in progress. Suppose Sarita is a developer, it is assigned to her. Now, after Sarita has done the fix, she will change the status to fixed, which is something done. Now, from her side, it is done, but as a QA, it is QA retest. So now Sarita will assign it to QA. Consider Shrushti is a QA for this. So now the status will be again, Shrushti has to retest this. Now after Shrushti has retested, she will, if it is passed, she will mark it as done or closed. Okay. So the status will be closed if it is working fine. If it is not working fine, then the status will be reopen. Okay. We have the status as a reopen also. So all those statuses are here. We are not able to see because it is a trial version of a JIRA we are using. Okay. Got it? Did I answer your question?
Yeah, yes, Priya.
So everyone create these 5 defects. Okay. So this is assignment for today. You have to create 5 defects with the screenshots.
Priya, uh,
Yes.
one more doubt, Priya. This JIRA is used only for the defects or whatever work we are doing, all the progress will be there in this JIRA or only the defects?
Okay. So we will have all the things in the Jira. So whatever as a developer they are working, so the task will be there. Okay. So initially the task and everything will be created by the Scrum Master, product owners. Okay, it will be assigned to us. As a QA, we are going to create defects only. So I am more focusing on issue type bug. Other issue types we have story. So the product owner will create a story. For example, we are testing login logout features. Very basic functionality, login logout. So how login logout will work? Everything they will mention in the requirements. It is a story. Story is nothing but requirement. Alright. So you have all the details in this. So this story, as long as like this story is assigned to somebody for a development, this story will be assigned to somebody for a testing. So if it is assigned to a developer, the meaning is he is working on the code. Now it is assigned to some QA. For example, it is assigned to some QA. So he is testing it. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Okay, Priya. As a QA, say for example, I was assigned for testing the Amazon project and I'm checking on the login. And if that works
Huh.
perfectly, do I need to update it here or only the defects I need to update it?
Okay. So what will happen is for a requirement, we will not test only one test case. For a requirement, we will have 10 test cases or maybe 30, 20, right? So login, logout, we will have at least 4 test cases, valid, invalid. Okay, what kind of types of users you have, admin user, read-only user. So we will create test cases for it and we attach a test case here. So my test case template entirely, I will attach it here. For example, I have test cases in the Excel sheet. That entire Excel sheet, I will attach it here. It will go in the review. So task will have different. So this is a story. Story will have different things. Like you attach a test cases here, not the screenshots of the defects or nothing. We attach the test cases. Now suppose Srushti initially created some test cases. She attached it. Now I am reviewing. So I will review it. Okay. Those things. And the updates are done. Like the task updates. Any comments are there related to the task. Now, as a defect, we have to have the screenshot, steps to reproduce, those things. Now, this is about the story. If we have a task, like suppose for this requirement, I have a task for automation testing. So now, login, logout, I'm creating a automation script for it. So we create a subtask for it. Okay. So the task will be automation script writing. Okay. For a this. So in this we work on the automation script. So it will be assigned to the person who is actually working on the automation. Okay. So there are some manual QAs, there are dedicatedly automation QAs, there are people who are working on both. Okay. So it is overall JIRA will have project management activities like task creation, story creation, defect creation, and maintaining, managing, checking the progress, who is working on what. Everything will be tracked here. So, in the JIRA, we will see some more examples. This is not the only class. We are again next day. Tomorrow, we will see how Agile board will have all the tasks on this in progress, how we are going to change the status. So, initially, we have nothing here. Okay, so we will start a sprint and then we will have some things in progress, some things are. Okay, so we will see that. Some other more discussions we will have on this JIRA tool. So as a QA, more or less, we are going to do more and more defect reporting in this. Okay.
Okay, Priya. And last question. And you said that it is for tracking. So when we close the issue, so we need to again give a screenshot of the
Yes,
application,
correct.
right?
Yes, we have to give a screenshot of again
Okay.
the issue is fixed and now it is working fine. Correct.
Okay. Okay, Priya.
Yes, okay.